Okay, so getting the Robby Roto set onto the color monitor, I mounted this guy right here. You see the little interface PCB. I screwed it onto the wall right there. And I made two little adapters. This one right here I made. And this goes, that's the output of this guy. And then my red, white, and my red, green, blue ground and sync from there plug into this guy right here, and then go to the monitor. And following the pinout, I had to add this guy right here. This connector right here goes right here on the RGB board, and it just goes into right here, the J3. And what I did, because the video signal goes to this guy, but the video signal can also just go straight to a black and white monitor, which is what I've been doing. So what I did was I didn't eliminate the black and white option. I crimped these two together. One of them goes to the interface board if I'm going to use it for color, and the other just goes to my black and white thing here, off of here, so that I can still use a black and white monitor if I want. Now I have either option with Robby Roto. The thing is you have to do this. Like when I do Gorf, I'll have to make another one of these. If I get a Wizard of War, I'll have to make another one of these off of the, these are not, this is not universal. This is Robby Roto only. Yeah, so they are different pinouts. It's not a universal setup, so, which is kind of a bummer. It'd be nice if it was, but it's not. So this one is Robby Roto only. So I've got everything all I've got my harness all done, so now I'm going to go ahead and hook Robby Roto up to the color monitor and see how it works. Okay, I got the camera fixed there, so we're going to start setting this stuff up. Here's my power plug. That's all good to go. I can actually go ahead and just get that ready. This plugs into my setup. This has all my controls on it for my Atari joystick. And I will hook the sound up too. Let me grab the my sound amplifier. We're going to hook that all up too. I only can do one channel at a time. One sound channel at a time. Okay. Get the spaghetti wire out. I swear. Okay, this goes to the speakers, like so. Okay. And this is just a old computer speaker amplifier, sound amplifier is all it is. Okay. This is going to plug into, we'll do channel 1 first, I guess. Okay, we are plugged up to channel 1. We got to plug all this junk in. This is J2 and J3. Okay. This is J1. Okay. Now we're going to do, I got to plug this guy in to this. Okay. We'll plug this video cable into this. Like that. Right? Yep. That's that. This has to plug into this, the output. Sync. Okay. We're using the color monitor, so I gotta plug it in. Oh, goodness gracious. I think we're all hooked up. Well, I'm pretty confident in my hookup and my following the directions of the pinout and everything. That's proper. That's plugged in. This is not shifted at all. It's in there good. In the right spot. That's right. That is right. I think we're good to go. Let's fire it up. It is working. It's a little shaky. I think I'll just have to mess with the sync a little bit. Maybe. Let me mess around with this connections a little bit. I'll be right back. Guys, it did not want to sync to my Nintendo monitor at all. So, I hooked up a G07 that I have. Look how freaking cool that looks. It works. Alright, I'm going to set this thing up and we're going to play some Robby Roto. Color Robby Roto. Okay, we are set up. We'll turn down some lights. How cool is this, guys? Just remember, not all of the sounds are going to be here. I know that both of the channels work, but I'm just putting it on the other channel, the channel with the walking music. It's got a little more noise, so maybe after I die, maybe we'll play one game this way with this channel, and then I'll switch it to the other channel and play another game, so you can see what sounds are produced by both channels. So let's get into it. Here we go. Darn it! Whoa, whoa! Oh, come on. Oh, game over. Okay, so I will change the channel. We'll listen to the other channel. Okay, we'll start up. Here comes the coin. And here we go. I like this game. I really like this game. This game's pretty cool. I like it. I went right through that spider. Darn it. Hey, all right. This game is hard. I'll give it that. It's a tough game. Darn it. And that's the game. Game over. Robby Roto repair is absolutely complete. All right. Alrighty. Look at that. Boy, this one gave me some problems, didn't it? The only thing that was good on this... Did we have a problem with this CPU board? I don't remember. But the game board was no problem. The pattern board was no problem. The ROM board, the memory board, was a disaster. And these RAM boards sucked. They were hard to get right. So finicky. But, as usual, we prevailed, guys. And look at that. To the persistent go the spoils. Robby Roto, how cool. That's going to wrap up the Robby Roto series. You know, guys, I got another Robby Roto board set coming. Can you believe that? I got another one coming, and it looks like the memory board is battery damaged like this one. So, should be fun. Alright, guys. See you on the next repair. And the voting was done on the... I put up a poll for voting. And I am now going to begin the Space Race PCB by Syzygy. Very early Atari. I think it's like 1973 or something like that. So that's the next repair. I'm going to get started on that one today. Pack the Robby Roto stuff up and try to get it on out of here, along with Space Zap. And yeah, so excellent. Peace out, guys. Take it easy and see you on the next repair.